why is English important for you? I mean, for an individual or for anybody out here. So please give her a big round of applause for Mahi. Please, Mahi, come on the stage. As we already know, her name is Mahi. Now I would like to invite Mahi on the stage, and we would love to basically I would try to ask them a few questions and let's see how she is going to answer. So basically the question which I am going to ask on the stage, why is English important for you? I mean for an individual or for anybody out here. So please give her a big round of applause for Mahi. Please, Mahi, come on the stage. As we already know, her name is Mahi. So basically, I'm going to ask very few questions to her and let's see how she answers, how she responds. So my first question goes to you. How are you? First of all, tell me how you are.
I'm fine.
Alright. So Mahi, please tell us why English is important for you or for anybody out here, whoever wants to speak English. Could you please tell us why it is important?
English is important for me because I want to.
Please look at the camera as well.
English is important for me because I want to improve communicated skills.
Alright, so basically English is important for you because you want to improve your communication skills, right? So what the problem do you exactly face while speaking English? Could you please elaborate a little bit? Like what the problem you face while you try to speak English?
So the problem that I face is actually confidence.
Alright, so basically the problem that you face is all about confidence, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Alright. So this is not the problem of yours. This is actually everyone's problem. When anybody wants to speak English, especially when somebody is on the stage or when somebody is in front of crowd of people. I mean thousands of people, or not thousands of people, but at least 10 people. If I'm speaking and there are 10 people in front of me, so it is very tough for me to speak English. So no worries. This is the practice which we are doing right now. This session I'm gonna help you how you can speak English. Doesn't matter if you make like grammatical mistake or if you forget the words, if you forget what to speak. Doesn't matter. So basically what we have to do whenever you come on the stage, whenever you try to speak in front of thousands of people or in front of even 4 to 5 people, just be comfortable. Do not think about the grammatical mistake and do not think about other people, that what they will think about you. Nobody has time. Do you have time for me?
Yes.
Similarly, nobody has time either. ना मेरे पास time है आपके लिए, ना आपके पास मेरे लिए, और किसी के पास time नहीं है. So what you have to do, and this is the suggestion which everybody has to follow. That we do not need to care about the grammatical mistake. We do not need to care about the people, those who are looking at us, those who are just staring at us. कि हम when I am going to make mistake, let them laugh, let them think what they are thinking, right? So my another question, this was the lecture, this was the part of lecture actually. Now I'm going to ask another question to this girl and let's see how she answers. So do you feel or do you believe that after learning English from this academy or from me, would you be able to speak English confidently or like anywhere or anytime? Do you think so?
Yes.
Say loudly.
Yes.
Do you really think you can speak English after learning English from me?
Yes, I can speak English after learning English from here.
Alright. And that's what our aim is. That's what my mission is. That everybody has to speak English. So this session is going to be ended here because as you can see this girl, like with so much confidence, she has come on the stage and finally she has spoken a little bit and that was marvelous. I really appreciate for your effort. Ending this video, signing off. This is Aman Kumar. Would love to meet you in another video. Till then, bye. Stay connected, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.